Well, we've utilised Anna David quite recently, and yourselves at Sgiliaeth. So we've had sessions quite recently in adult basic education and ESOL teams, so that we've had some input in terms of language and pronunciation, so that when staff are in front of learners, they can pronounce and develop words so that they're actually pronouncing things properly. They understand how to spell Welsh words, and I think whatever training we need seems to be there, and during the training we get signposted to websites and so on. We're very fortunate in this learning area that we've got 2 people who are fluent in Welsh, and Welsh is their first language, and they've been able to develop some materials as well. So we've got support for that, either outside or within our learning area itself.